Ever felt that stomach-dropping moment? That frantic patting of pockets, the frantic rummaging through your bag, only to realize your debit card is nowhere to be found? It's a uniquely modern kind of panic, isn't it? In a world increasingly reliant on digital transactions, that little piece of plastic holds the keys to your finances, and its sudden disappearance can feel like a mini-crisis. Whether it slipped out unnoticed at the grocery store, fell victim to a pickpocket, or simply vanished into the Bermuda Triangle of your own home, the immediate aftermath is often a whirlwind of anxiety and uncertainty. What if someone finds it? What if they start racking up charges? The what-ifs can be overwhelming. But here's the good news: while that initial panic is understandable, knowing exactly what steps to take next can significantly minimize the potential damage and help you regain control. This isn't something you have to navigate in the dark. There's a well-defined process for reporting a lost or stolen debit card, and understanding it is your first and most crucial line of defense. Think of this video as your comprehensive guide, your financial first aid kit for this very situation. We're going to walk through, step by step, exactly what you need to do the moment you realize your card is gone. We'll cover everything from the initial notification to follow-up actions, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to handle this situation effectively. So, take a deep breath. You're not alone, and help is here. Let's dive in. The very first thing you need to do, and I cannot stress this enough, is to act immediately. The longer you wait, the greater the risk of unauthorized transactions. Time is truly of the essence here. Your primary goal at this stage is to notify your bank or financial institution as quickly as humanly possible. They are the gatekeepers to your funds, and informing them that your card is missing is the crucial first step in preventing fraudulent activity. How do you do this swiftly? Thankfully, most banks offer multiple channels for reporting a lost or stolen card. Phone call: this is often the quickest and most direct method. Most banks have a dedicated toll-free number for reporting lost or stolen cards. This number is usually available 24/7. Keep your bank's contact information readily accessible, perhaps save it in your phone contacts or have it written down in a safe place. When you call, be prepared to provide your account details, including your name, account number, and potentially your address and date of birth for verification. Be clear and concise about the situation. Your debit card is lost or stolen. Mobile banking app. In today's digital age, many banks have integrated a lost/stolen card reporting feature directly into their mobile banking apps. This can be an incredibly convenient option, especially if you realize your card is missing outside of business hours. Look for options like Report Lost/Stolen Card, Card Services, or similar within the app's menu. The app will likely guide you through a series of steps to confirm your identity and report the missing card. Online banking portal. If you have access to a computer, you can also report your lost or stolen card through your bank's online banking portal. Log into your account and look for a similar Report Lost/Stolen Card or Card Services section. Visiting a branch. If a branch is easily accessible and open, you can also report the loss or theft in person. While this might not be the fastest option, it allows you to speak directly with a bank representative. Crucially, choose the method that is most readily available to you at that moment. Don't delay trying to find the perfect method. Speed is paramount. Once you've successfully reported your card, the bank will typically take immediate action to block or freeze your card. This prevents any further transactions from being authorized on the missing card. Confirm with the bank representative that the card has been deactivated and ask for a confirmation or reference number for your report. Keep this information safe for your records. After the initial report, it's essential to review your recent transactions carefully. Check your online banking activity or recent statements for any unauthorized charges. Pay close attention to transactions you don't recognize, even small amounts. If you notice any suspicious activity, report it immediately to your bank. They will guide you through the process of disputing these charges. Most banks have a zero liability policy for unauthorized transactions made after you report your card lost or stolen. However, this protection may have limitations, and prompt reporting is crucial to ensure you are covered. Now that the immediate crisis is being managed, let's look at the next steps you should take. File a police report, especially in case of theft. If you suspect your card was stolen, it's highly advisable to file a police report. This provides an official record of the incident, which can be helpful in your communication with the bank and potentially for insurance purposes. It can also aid law enforcement in investigating potential theft patterns. When filing the report, provide as much detail as possible, including the approximate time and location where you believe the card was lost or stolen. Obtain a copy of the police report for your records. Change your online banking passwords and PINs. As a precautionary measure, it's a good idea to change your online banking passwords and any PINs associated with your debit card or other related accounts. Even though your physical card is blocked, it's wise to secure your digital access points. Choose strong, unique passwords that you don't use for other online accounts. Review other linked accounts. Consider if your lost or stolen debit card was linked to any other online services or payment platforms. If so, update your payment information on those platforms as well to prevent potential misuse. This might include e-commerce websites, subscription services, or payment apps. Be wary of scam attempts. Unfortunately, criminals sometimes try to exploit situations like this. Be cautious of any unsolicited calls, emails, or text messages you receive after reporting your card. Scammers may try to impersonate your bank or law enforcement to obtain further information or trick you into making payments. Your bank will never ask for your PIN or full account details over the phone or via email. If you receive any suspicious communication, contact your bank directly through their official channels. Order a replacement card. Once your old card is blocked, you'll need to request a replacement from your bank. They will typically issue a new card with a different card number. Inquire about the estimated time frame for receiving a new card and any temporary access options they might offer, such as temporary cards or the ability to access funds through other means. Update automatic payments. If you had any automatic payments or direct debits linked to your lost or stolen debit card, you'll need to update the payment information with your new card details once you receive it. This might include utility bills, subscription services, or loan payments. Make a list of these recurring payments and ensure you update them promptly to avoid any disruptions in service or late fees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.